Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the way Government of India manages its debt. That is Government of India Debt Management System. Well, let us talk about some of the initiatives which the government has taken in order to manage its own debt. First, establishment of a dedicated debt management office. India has a separate division within the Ministry of Finance called Public Debt Management, which is responsible for managing the government domestic and external debt. Public Debt Management Cell is expected to evolve into a full-fledged independent debt management office in the future. Now, the second important initiative is formulation of a medium-term debt management strategy. The Indian government periodically prepares medium-term debt management strategy, wherein it outlines the government debt management objectives, the risk tolerance and the preferred debt structures for the next few years. Medium-term debt management system is aimed at ensuring a prudent debt management profile while minimizing the borrowing cost. The third important initiative is development of a domestic bond market. The Indian government has been working to deepen and broaden the domestic bond market by introducing various reforms such as electronic trading platforms, primary dealer system, and the introduction of new financial instruments like inflation-linked bonds. The fourth important initiative is diversification of the investor base. India has taken steps to diversify its investor base, including allowing foreign portfolio investors to invest in government securities. This helps to reduce the reliance on domestic banks and institutional investors, thus spreading the risk. Another great initiative is switching to buyback operations. The Indian government occasionally conducts switch and buyback operations to manage its debt portfolio more efficiently. This involves repurchasing high-cost or short-term securities and issuing new securities with lower interest or longer maturities. Also, the Government of India follows prudent external borrowing, wherein India has been cautious in its approach to external borrowing, ensuring that the proportion of external debt remains within the manageable limit. The government has also been diversifying its sources of external funding by tapping into the international bond market and issuing foreign currency denominated bonds. It is important to strengthen the debt management, data management and transparency. The Government of India publishes comprehensive debt data including central and state government debt on a regular basis. This promotes transparency and helps policymakers, investors and other stakeholders monitor the government's debt profile. Also, capacity building and technical assistance. The Indian government has been working with international organizations such as International Monetary Fund and World Bank to improve its debt management capacity. This includes training programs, technical assistance, and sharing best practices with others. Well, if we have to talk about how the government manages its debt, the Government of India has been actively exploring and implementing various measures to improve its debt management system to ensure a sustainable debt profile and efficient borrowing practice. These efforts have contributed to a stable macroeconomic environment and has helped maintain investors' confidence. So if you like this video, you can click the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.